Welcome. Today, we dive into a fascinating aspect of our evolving society, the rise and acceptance of hyphenated identities. In the grand tapestry of modern America, we see an intriguing pattern of nuanced identities emerging. People are increasingly recognizing and embracing their multifaceted heritage. The term Asian American or Mexican American no longer just signifies one's geographical roots. It's a celebration of cultural fusion, a testament to a rich, blended inheritance that bridges continents. These hyphenated identities have become vibrant symbols of pride and community, painting a picture of an America that is as diverse as it is united. From the food we savor, the languages we speak, to the traditions we uphold, these identities enrich our collective experience and shape our society in meaningful ways. As we delve deeper, you'll discover the dynamic journey of these hyphenated identities, from their inception to their acceptance. The American identity landscape is shifting, and hyphenated identities are at the forefront of this transformation. The vibrancy of America's cultural tapestry is enriched by the rise of hyphenated identities. These identities, like Asian American or Mexican American, symbolize a blend of traditions, values, and histories, creating a unique narrative for each individual. Once upon a time, hyphenated identities were seen as a cause for division, an indication of not wholly belonging to the American fabric. People with these identities were often left navigating the complex space between two cultures. However, as our understanding of identity has evolved, so too has the perception of these hyphenated identities. From being stigmatized, these identities have journeyed towards acceptance and pride. The hyphen that once seemed to separate now acts as a bridge, connecting diverse cultures and enriching the American identity. It's a testament to the resilience and adaptability of individuals who've navigated and continue to navigate the complexities of a dual heritage. Take, for instance, the term Asian American. This identity encapsulates a vast array of cultures, from the bustling streets of Tokyo to the serene landscapes of Nepal. Each individual bearing this hyphenated identity carries with them a unique blend of traditions and experiences. Similarly, the term Mexican American signifies a fusion of vibrant Mexican culture with the American way of life. It's a testament to the rich history of Mexican immigrants and their descendants who've helped shape America's cultural, social, and economic landscape. But these are just two examples in a sea of hyphenated identities that color the American landscape. From Italian Americans to Nigerian Americans, these identities symbolize America's multicultural spirit. These identities, once a subject of debate, now proudly represent a significant part of our multicultural society. They stand as symbols of the evolving American identity, an identity that values diversity, recognizes the power of cultural fusion, and celebrates the beauty of its hyphenated citizens. The emergence of hyphenated identities didn't happen overnight. It's a result of numerous historical events and societal shifts. Let's take a step back and journey through time to understand the roots of this evolution. Our tale begins in the early 19th century, with waves of immigrants from different parts of the world, each bringing with them a unique culture, language, and traditions. As these immigrants settled in the United States, they started to blend their original cultures with their new American lifestyles, giving birth to hyphenated identities. Fast forward to the mid-20th century, the civil rights movement played a crucial role in challenging the status quo. It made Americans question the idea of a single, homogenized American identity. This period highlighted the importance of acknowledging and celebrating the unique cultures that make up the American landscape. The emergence of hyphenated identities, such as Asian American and Mexican American, was further propelled by the Immigration and Nationality Act of 1965. This act removed racial and national barriers to immigration, leading to an influx of diverse communities into the United States. It was a significant turning point, signaling a shift in the American consciousness towards embracing multiculturalism and diversity. In the subsequent decades, the concept of hyphenated identities continued to evolve. Universities started offering ethnic studies programs, giving academic recognition to these diverse cultures. These courses provided a platform for discussions around identity, race, and culture, encouraging students to explore their hyphenated identities and contribute to the evolving narrative of multicultural America. The journey towards recognition of hyphenated identities has been long and winding, marked by struggles and triumphs. But it is through these historical events that we've arrived at a point where we can celebrate the beauty of being, for example, both Filipino and American, or both Mexican and American. These historical events have not only shaped our present, but will continue to influence the future of our multicultural society. They remind us that our identities are not fixed but fluid, continuously shaped by our experiences, our histories, and the world around us. The young generation plays a pivotal role in redefining and expanding our understanding of identity. In this age of globalization and connectivity, younger generations more than ever are embracing their multicultural heritage and reshaping the language around cultural fusion. They are proudly wearing their hyphenated identities, not as a badge of difference, but as a testament to their unique lived experiences. Rather than seeing themselves as split between two cultures, Millennials and Gen Z have adopted a more fluid view of identity. They understand that being, say, Korean American or Cuban American doesn't mean having to choose between kimchi or hamburgers, salsa or Seoul. Instead, they're creating a vibrant new cultural landscape where bibimbap can meet barbecue and merengue can dance with Motown. These younger generations are also pioneering blended experiences. Take, for instance, the rise of fusion food trucks and pop-up restaurants, where traditional Asian or Mexican dishes are given an American twist, or vice versa. Or consider the vibrant art scene, where artists of mixed heritage are weaving their diverse backgrounds into powerful narratives and stunning visuals. In the field of entertainment, hyphenated American actors, musicians, and filmmakers are breaking barriers and bringing diverse stories to the mainstream. Their work is not only entertaining, but also educative, providing insights into the complexities and richness of hyphenated identities. In academia, scholars are challenging conventional notions of identity, advocating for a more nuanced understanding of the hyphen. They argue that the hyphen is not a divider, but a bridge linking multiple cultures, histories, and experiences. In the political arena, young activists of mixed heritage are making their voices heard, advocating for policies that acknowledge and respect the diversity of American society. These fresh perspectives are crucial in shaping a more inclusive, diverse, and understanding society. They remind us that identity is not a static concept, anchored in the past, but a dynamic one, continually evolving and adapting. And they underline the beauty and strength that lies in diversity, in the intermingling of cultures, in the hyphen. So let's celebrate our hyphenated identities, for they are a testament to our shared journey towards a more harmonious blend of cultures and experiences. Let's embrace the hyphen, for it is a symbol of our multifaceted, multicultural America. These fresh perspectives are crucial in shaping a more inclusive, diverse, and understanding society. Hyphenated identities are more than labels. They are symbols of inclusion and diversity. This statement couldn't be more accurate. As we've seen, the rise of hyphenated identities like Asian American and Mexican American offer a vibrant testimony to the diversity that defines America. Yet it's not just about recognizing different cultures. It's about celebrating the fluidity of self-expression that these identities provide. Think about it. The hyphen in these identities symbolizes a bridge between cultures, not a barrier. It's a way of saying, I am part of two worlds, and I am better for it. Whether it's the fusion of flavors in a Korean barbecue taco or the multicultural rhythm in a hip-hop salsa track, hyphenated identities are constantly reshaping what it means to be American. As we move forward, we see a future of identity in America that is not a melting pot, where distinct cultures lose their unique qualities, but rather a mosaic where each piece retains its individuality while contributing to a harmonious blend. A future where the hyphen stands as a symbol of unity and diversity, a testament to the richness of our shared experiences. This is not to say that the journey towards inclusive self-identification is complete. There are still challenges to face, prejudices to overcome, and conversations to be had. But the trend is clear. More and more Americans are embracing their hyphenated identities, not as a source of division, but as a source of pride and community. In this dance of cultures, every hyphen added is a step towards a more inclusive, diverse, and vibrant society. Each one is a narrative of resilience, adaptation, and fusion. Every Asian American, Mexican American, African American, and countless others contribute their unique threads to the rich tapestry that is America. Hyphenated identities embody the richness and diversity of our society, reflecting the beautiful tapestry of our lives. As we continue to explore and celebrate these identities, we're not just acknowledging the parts that make up the whole. We're rejoicing in the symphony of cultures that gives America its distinctive rhythm. And isn't that something to celebrate? The power of the hyphen represents the embracing of multiculturalism in America. Through this journey, we've explored how the landscape of American identity has shifted, transforming from a source of stigma to a symbol of pride. Hyphenated identities, once overlooked, now stand as powerful self-descriptors, heralding the beauty of blended cultures. We delved into the historical significance of this shift, tracing the emergence of hyphenated identities and the milestones that shaped multiculturalism. Today's younger generations play a pivotal role in this narrative, redefining identity and expanding the language around cultural fusion. We celebrated the diversity that hyphenated identities symbolize, recognizing the fluidity of self-expression and the harmonious blend of cultures they represent. As we look towards the future, we see an America that continues to evolve, with each hyphen adding to the vibrant tapestry of our nation. Join us as we continue exploring the beautiful tapestry of hyphenated identities in our next video. Until then, embrace your unique identity and celebrate the diversity around us.